A while back, I replaced a Moen Faucet handle with this universal handle, and it has not worked out for me at all. It's loose. It's very hard to turn on. You can see I haven't been able to really wash my bathroom sink properly because it's so hard to use. Alright, I'm going to show you. It's very hard to turn on. I literally have to hold and pull up. And if I pull too hard, it'll turn on really fast and it'll spray everywhere. This is how you... And that is not supposed to happen. It's supposed to adjust the heat. And all it does is turn it off. And so I'm getting rid of this. And I'm going to turn off the water, take it off, and I'm going to put another Moen back on, which is what I originally had. So I have turned off the water, and I am closing the drain so nothing goes down and I don't have to clean out the thing. It's not even easy to pry this thing off. Also, I've barely gone to pry it off and it's already like scratched it. Yeah, this alone is a good reason not to get a universal handle if you are worried about looks or anything like that. So, okay, I want to wrestle with this off camera. Okay, what it took was a little table knife, which if you do it at your own risk. Be careful. So, now we need to, trying to see if we're in focus. I hope we are. Okay, there's a screw on top. Okay, this is not very hard. And if you didn't see my other video, you're welcome to go watch it, but this is the screw, and it's so long because we had to put this extension in or it wouldn't have worked. And this is, you can see the calcium, possibly. I don't know if you can see all that crud in here. Okay, now this piece is an adapter that came with this faucet. So this has to come off completely. And to do that, there is little screws on the side, and you just loosen them. So I'm going to throw that in with the other thing. Then it gets a little bit of green stuff, which probably doesn't matter. While I got this open, kind of want to go ahead and try to clean this up. It's really funky. Okay, I didn't get it as clean as I want, but without having a decent faucet, it's hard to work with. So, basically, once you get it where you want it, you just take the faucet itself, and this part here is going to go over that. So, and you want to make sure that your thing is pointing straight up. And then this little piece will go here. And your screws in there. And for some reason it's not working. And I don't understand why. Okay, that works. So we need to figure out alright, maybe this. Hold it straight up. Okay, now we don't want to tighten it too much without this piece, because that piece is going to keep it from breaking the plastic. I'm not going to pull it too much, but there we go. Okay, and our water's on. So I'm gonna make sure that's okay. So we're gonna turn it, pull it up. That's cold. Hot, cold. So we got it the way we want it. Probably should quit tightening it. And then I'm going to get, okay, keep that dry. And the finishing touch. Close that up. I don't know why I did that, but now I have my pretty Moen Faucet back, and it works a whole lot better than the other one. So there you are. And that is finished. Now maybe I can clean the sink properly.